In this chapter, we're going to start to talk about visualization. And that's really a broad subject because there are several different ways that you can talk about how you view your models. Now, in most cases, when we talk about visualization, people go directly into renders or photorealistic pictures that you make from your 3D designs. But there's a little bit more to it. Now, when we talk about visualization, we really want to talk about a few things. The first thing is how we view the model in our workspace. Now, that can really change the way the design progresses and really get you into the design process. If everything is just all gray, white background, very bleak looking, sometimes it's hard to get real excited about the product you're designing. But if you start to add materials here and there, you change the background, add some perspective to the design, and so on, it can really make a difference in how you view it and maybe how you change the design as you go forward. We're also going to take a look at different integrated options such as preview window and photo view or real view graphics inside of the modeling window and different ways that we can use that to our advantage. Now, this is generally a more advanced topic as well. Most people that are just starting in SOLIDWORKS or just starting in 3D modeling aren't really to the stage where they can make high class, high quality renders. But that doesn't mean that you shouldn't try. You should definitely play around with this stuff, figure out how you can use it and how you can make it work for your process. We're also going to talk a little bit about views, different ways that we can change views and save views, make things like section views. This is all very helpful to analyze the design you're working on. And lastly, we will do a few renders of this Camaro model that I made.